most of the time I don't really wear shirt. When I was younger, I never used to wear pants. And then they switch over to me not wearing shirt after dog bite me. Good morning. I don't know why I say morning, but I go on vlog. We're having breakfast this morning. What's for breakfast? We got egg. I put some ketchup and hot sauce on that. And then a piece of the leftover barbecue pig's tail. Pepper. Jesus. Hey. I can't wait to get into this. I don't really have I don't have nothing planned today. And because the car I do the whole smoking thing, like I barely even want to drive it. You know, do it every time, but seeing that, you know, it happen whatever I try for, like put like a pressure on the engine. Barely want to move, you see me? Yo, this is something where you can just eat by itself, you know. Put some hot sauce on it, you see me? See how that would have. Alright, I may have added a little bit too much hot sauce right there. It definitely supposed to have like a nice little, a nicer flavor with the barbecue sauce and then. Yeah. Fall off, right? Alright, the hot sauce did too much. Fall off my bone. But they just have a show no man. Look. This right here is the, you know, fall off the bone activity that took place. Like it was so easy to just take the bone out of it. Bone. Clean. I have to show you. Lean and then you got fat right there, you know, man. Just to give you a look update, you know, on what is going on. I have not left the house. The place look kind of dark because I just lock up myself back in the house here and I build back. I feel like I'm going to sleep. He tell you the truth, so I might just take a look at might just take a look at that. Yo, that funny load your fat. But then if you don't have any other place, just start cook. So but now we see what I go on if me decide to go up on the road. But like I said before, the car do the foolishness. So I really know if I go somewhere, but it's not going to be too far. Wake up back, you know. I almost forget I never upload the video yet. So that my idea now. Make it thumbnail. It was uploaded already. I never set it for auto upload because the thumbnail never make. I make the thumbnail and in the next 4 minutes. Rain look like it won't fall, but it not fall. I wish it did fall because even though it is kind of overcast, maybe like in the last half hour of me sleeping, it probably get overcast. But the place still never as cool as it should have been. Maybe I threw the door them and everything kind of lock. But the window did open. And the fan did blow. But the fan, yo, fans are worthless, you know? Just that I try to use it so I have a heat stroke in my sleep. For a long time I don't believe in them. Then just blow hot air. Whatever air go in there, that them blow it. So they don't really serve no purpose, to tell you the truth. You just want to go chill a little bit at the beach side, isn't it? Because the place did so damn hot, but no. Alright, I'm going to do this because once the rain start, then look right there, so yeah, internet gone. And all happened a while ago was just one little thunder roll. That is it. The internet lift up. So let me just do this. All I need to do is just make the video live. So let me just make that thumbnail and then make the video go live. As much as me think say they ain't not really serve no purpose. Look who is here washing and cleaning them down, right? I tell you boy. They out there on the Endz, you see me? Sky full of clouds. There's no blue visible. It's just all grey. There, build back, you know? Just watch the waves. I like that little place, you know, it's just a nice little Endz. Especially during the week, like a whole heap of people are really there, so it's quiet. and we can just chill and soak up the vibe. That's it. I'm forward. Sip some water. Think about life. Think about your next move them. And just relax, man. The water seems rather calm today. Like some other day when the circle out here, they're kind of crazy, and I expect it to move crazy today because, you know, through the sky is so overcast. I think, you know, the oceans would be hungry. Everyone telling us if I when I wear that pants, you know. My shirt change. I mean, I try to go for this, like a default look. You know, in a video game when characters have like a default look. Where you just wake up every day and you know what you're going to put on. So, you know, you have a white shirt, you put on a pants, kick on a shoes and you that. If you have to go now. You don't have to go now wear white shirt and little shorts and your easy back. Most of the time I don't really wear shirt. When I was younger, I never used to wear pants. And then they switch over to me not wearing shirt after dog bite me. Hey, I have some story time I need to tell you, you know. So, they soon come, bro. They soon come. Don't worry yourself. Hopefully you not hear me good and the waves not too loud. The camera have a feature where you can pick up on the front sounds of the microphone, but they only work if I use the back camera. That I if me grow in a pro video. So I hope you hear me good and everything. And if not, then alright, breeze a blow me. You say that I go. If not, I hope you know it'll give you a little relaxation to just hear the sounds of the ocean. Jamaican people, we should do better, you know, man. You see, we barely have access to like any of the beaches. And whenever we come here, we just dash trash and no care. Come on, man, clean up the place when you come here and tap your foolishness. I don't know if you see the situation with alligator pond and how people. I think they got there one time in my life. I know I got a little Ochi. But I think at one time I ever go alligator pond. And the situation is now it's a private property. But they say the owners just allow people to come through, come use up their river and the beach and everything. And they're going to sell their property. And the people them worried about if they are going to have access to the river and them something. And I'm hearing that it's a struggle right now across the island for, you know, public beaches. I think people did not even cuss about the Puerto Rico thing, how they make somebody just come bite and then the public not really have access to it again. And there was a video with one man that say, oh, Jamaicans not allowed to come on the beach on I think what, Thursday and Tuesdays. So I just foreign alone. But when we come and we have access to the free beach, then we just dash all kind of trash all about and we don't value it until it's too late. See over Hillshire them I try for a bill back. Everybody a ball and holler now because no shoreline are dead. Global warming. And all of them look foolishness there. But people have to kind of like clean up after themselves when they want to use the beach. You see me? As me sure know if everybody will come up on a holiday, take up a piece of trash, the beach would have keep clean. Everybody will come up on a weekend, take up a piece of trash. The crowd will there up on a weekend and holidays. If everybody does take up a piece of trash, they would have clicked clean. But at the same time, it look like, you know, the government, nobody didn't even pass through with like a garbage truck to take up. Because I see a bag right there, so somebody did a try collect the trash, but no pass through to take it up. Have some people to drive through and take up the garbage. But then again, that's a whole different thing because even sometimes in like communities, them the garbage people them barely want to come through because of discrepancies within the company and them and the government. I don't know, brother. I don't know, boy. You know what? I'm not even. Hey, I'm not come along and have to stress out myself. I'm going back to relaxing. I made the video a while ago. I him over here so I make beer nice. You lucky to no bird cheese here. Yo, one of the things that they always want to do is go fishing. But I wonder if them things they require permit. Like if me have a fishing rod You can just go fish, like wherever I want to go fish, as long as you know I have access to whatever fishing area I'm going to fish. I may have to go through some bag of things where you know, you have to go talk to this person, you have to get a permit for that. I mean, none of them things, you know, I just want to go fishing. That sunset they look nice, man. I try to capture it. This not really I do it not justice for you see what I go on. Okay, see it there? I try to capture it with the big guns. Alright people, it's the end of another day, you know. We didn't really get to do much today. But you know, some days you have to just easy back. A lady there pick. Or not. I like come on a little beach man, come chill. I like the vibe. But then I get the urge to jump in the water, but we never carry no towel, even though I have like extra shots. Always. They don't know man a ball and them thing there. So you know, you have to always ready for your ball game, but I never have no towel. So I can say, alright. I could just make it urge pass here, man. And go on easy. I head on home, you know, and go catch a fresh, then make my dinner. I make my dinner, then catch a fresh, anyway. But big up on yourself for always tuning in on them things there. You don't know sandwich soon come. Big up all the people who may try the sandwiches again. Put my bag full of oil nut to blood stain. And I'm going to get her for this. Should I pick your oil nut them? I'm guessing she could probably make castor oil or something. Why not? You know what I mean? You just there and nobody not doing, nobody not use it. I see she put on her dress, you know, I think say at home she go. But she just did that walk the fields and pick the oil nut them. Do you think? Get that money, mama. Rich. For the people that wanna know the oil nut, or where you get the castor oil from, they say I get castor oil from, you see me? So them the share pick. Of course, I the one them were ready for pick share pick. So when you hear people that talk about Jamaican black castor oil, them the beans them come out of the oil nut beans them for them make the castor oil and them something there. So you learned something today, okay? Good. Now go and spread the word. Tell your friends. Someone have your own in the yard and probably not even know. So on rich. Money that you know? Money! Yo, a couple of months ago, right? Somebody did comment say them see this like a white dot on my video. And I almost tell half a brother in it, come and say which white that you talk about. Because I know back when I had the other camera, like before, like way back, there used to be a little dot in the videos. I don't know where the hell this dot come from. But then me see it the other day, so there is one for real. So a good thing I never cuss off the youth. But I don't know where it come from. It might be on the camera lens, but me clean off the camera lens the other day and it's still there. So me no know where it come from. Sorry people, if it's there, we're just gonna have to work with it. I don't know where it come from.